In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an auction on eBay. We'll move through the process from start to finish so you can confidently get your item in front of bidders. Start on the eBay homepage and click Sell. This opens the seller tools. Next, choose Create Listing to begin a new item. eBay helps you build a strong listing by finding a close match. So in the search box, type something that describes your item. Let's use shoe as an example, and click Search. From the results, pick a product template that best fits what you're selling. A good match pre-fills relevant categories and details, saving time and improving visibility. When you've found the one that fits, click Continue. You'll be asked to select the item's condition. Be honest and specific. Accuracy builds buyer trust and reduces returns. For instance, if your pair shows normal wear but is still in good shape, choose something like pre-owned. Good. After you've made the selection, click Continue. Now add photos. Click Upload from computer to bring in clear pictures of your item. Use good lighting, include multiple angles, and capture any flaws up close. Transparent photos lead to better bids. With images in place, add your title. Include the brand, model, size, color, and any standout keywords buyers might search for. Then select the brand, add the US shoe size, and choose the color. These specifics help your listing show up in filtered searches. In the condition description box, briefly explain the item's state in your own words. Note wear on the soles, any scuffs, and whether it comes with the original box. Head to the pricing section. You'll likely see Buy It Now selected by default. Click Buy It Now, then switch to Auction to enable bidding. Choose your auction duration. Common choices like 7 or 10 days give buyers time to discover and watch your item. Set a starting bid. Low enough to attract interest, but high enough that you're comfortable if it sells at that price. If you want to ensure a minimum outcome, add a reserve price. Bidders won't win unless they meet or exceed it. Keep in mind that overly high reserves can discourage bidding, so balance protection with momentum. Review your photos, title, item specifics, condition notes, and pricing one more time to make sure everything is accurate and clear. When you're satisfied, click List It to publish your auction. That's it. Your auction is live. Monitor questions from buyers, and once it ends, be ready to ship promptly for great feedback. Thanks for watching and happy selling.